You know it, folks. It is Epic Ride 2014. Here we go. Sorry, I'm not very talkative. Blue Ridge Parkway is getting prettier and prettier with the stone walls and everything, but it's also getting, the roads are newer and they're slicker and colder and rainier and steeper curves, and I shouldn't be talking right now. I should be driving. That's just the thick of it. Enjoy. Ooh, there's these wafts of warm air every once in a while. What the hell is these? Oh. That was pretty. Oh, it is raining now. For reals, it's raining now. Another junction of 220. Linville. Okay. Let's take this one. Okay, slight right like it said. Turn left onto 221 south. Okay, I hear you. .2 miles. Let's go that way and see what happens. I'm a little lost, but that's okay. Okay, so we made it to the campground. I am number 16. Where is number 16? Hey, 16. I wonder if I can. Can I go down there under the trees? Sixteenth, 7th. Okay, guys, this is my campsite for the evening. We'll get camp set up and then we'll go exploring. How about that? All right, guys, see you later.